Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can go premium on Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you tap open your Crunchyroll, it will load itself up and will direct you to its homepage. Now to go premium, you can select the go premium option. So once you tap on it, all you need to do is select a subscription plan according to your wish and press on the start subscription option. So once you check it out and press on start subscription, all you need to do is add your debit card. Once you add your credit card or debit card number from your Google Pay, you can easily go premium on Crunchyroll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.